How to draw on Instagram chat. First, open up the Instagram and make sure you have updated your Instagram. Now you need to simply open up the chat of your specific Instagram friend, and once you open up the specific friend chat, you need to simply tap on the plus option, and here you will find there is a new draw option, so you need to simply tap on this one. So if you want to draw anything on Instagram chat, you need to simply first select the brush. So I want to just select this one, and after that you need to simply select the color. You can also pick the color from the screen, but I just want to here select the red one, and now you can write anything on a screen with the help of the finger. So here you notice that I have write something doodle on my Instagram DM chat. So you can simply tap on send to send your draw to your Instagram friend. So as you notice that I have successfully sent the draw on Instagram. So in this way you can easily draw anything on Instagram chat with the help of new draw feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.